I tried copy trading for 3 days and here are the results that I've made. I'm sure most of you have heard of copy trading stocks or forex, and if you don't, it's basically making buying and selling moves in the stock market or in the crypto market by completely following another expert trader. And in that case, if that trader that you're copying makes a profit, you will make a profit in return as well, but without lifting a single finger of your own. If you make money, that is. Also, later on in this video, I will explain why I only copy traded for 3 days. But before I start, I do not condone day trading or copy trading for most beginners because it is very, very risky for beginner investors, even for myself. Not to mention that most day traders actually lose money. Surprising? Not really, I think. So the app that I use to copy trade is NAGA Trader, and it's simply because I am just not a fan of eToro. I put in a capital of $115.15 because that is the amount that I'm comfortable with losing, and of course I know that I'm exposing myself to tremendous amounts of risk. According to the internet, day trading or copy trading can really make me a millionaire, so let's see if I actually can buy a mansion and a Rolls Royce at the end of this video. On the 6th of July, that is on my first day, I actually downloaded this NAGA trading app and I went to try it out. So I then went on to make 2 trades on my own and it turns out to be profitable. I guess it was just luck. Or is it? Moving on, I started copying people on the leaderboard with their winning rate of about 95% of all of their total winning trades. I did that because I really wanted to test things out and see whether if I could make quick, easy, small passive income profits from the people who are trading that are on the leaderboard. And turns out I was actually right. I was actually very profitable at the first few trades. A while later, after I started copying these people on the leaderboard, I actually received a couple of notifications that I was on a 4 winning trade winning streak, and that brought me a profit of $16.76. And after that happened, I instantly had a millionaire dream from my mind coming out, and it is irresistible to think that it is that easy to make money.
Life like this sure is sweet, huh?
It definitely is.
And just when I thought that I was going to reach my millionaire dreams, I then went on to copy another 5 big ass losing trades that lost my account about $74.40. Yeah, can you guys stop laughing now, please? Yeah, I know. Please. And after that, I decided to call it a day because I lost about 50% or more than 50% in just the first day, and I thought that it was a little bit too overwhelming. Therefore, I just stopped copying everyone and just went to bed instead. Moving on to the second day, which is 7th of July, day 2, I could not sleep on that night. And you guessed it right, I opened up a few trades on my own and turns out I was also profitable, but that is not the point because in this video, we're just going to take all the copy trades into account. And on that day itself, I only had 1 copy trade, and that 1 trade actually lost me about $4 at 110% of what I put in. After losing that trade, I told myself, nope, I'm done for today. I'll go ahead and continue tomorrow. And that night, I just went to sleep. I did not want to think about anything at all because at that point, I was already down tremendously with my portfolio. Also, here is the cons of copy trading because when you lose money, you cannot really blame other people for losing your money because you were the one who made the decision to copy that person. So on the third day, I decided to come back even stronger and I decided to go through a few more traders just to see who suits my trading style, and I finally came across this guy. Ah, yes, the real name must be Hawk. Green, blue, yellow, red, RGB colored the Hulk. I wonder where he's at in the Avengers movie when they needed him. Oh, that's right. He's actually busy trading. And my oh my, this guy is a true hero right here. I saw the good results that it was consistently bringing in all the small profits but continuously wins after wins and no losers. And that was why I only copied him throughout the entire day. He actually made a total of 31 trades in one single day. And out of the 31 trades that he made with my account, I only lost 4 trades. And it is not even that big of an amount after losing those 4 trades. And if I'm not mistaken, the 4 losing positions were closed by me because I just didn't want to risk the rest of my portfolio. So I can't even say that he was the one who made losing trades for my portfolio. It was just all myself. Anyways, at the end of that day, it brought us to a profit of $10.82, which is pretty cool for a passive income just like that. And if I were to convert it into Malaysian ringgit, it is about 45 ringgit and 45 cents. Just by doing nothing, getting about 45 ringgit and 45 cents by copying other people's trades sounds pretty good, right? Millionaire dreams was clouding my mind again until this happened. yes, there is a negative $36.27 on the deposit/withdrawal on this account sheet. Yes, I got charged with a hefty amount of copy trade fees of $36.27. And if we were to scroll up, this is how many times I've been charged without me knowing, and as you guys can see, that it is $1.17 per winning trade. Now before you roast me in the comments, yes, it is completely my fault for not reading the terms and conditions before using certain functions on this app, but don't you think that $1.17 per winning trade is just a little bit too much? I don't know, but that's just me, I guess. And because of that, I decided to withdraw all of my capital from NAGA Trading back into my bank account and call it quits from copy trading for now. But let's calculate the profits that I made throughout the 3 days of copy trading on this app. And if we were to ignore the copy trading fees, my total portfolio came down to a loss of $42.06.
I am never gonna financially recover from this.
The only reason why I think that my account is at a big loss is because I was new and I was just testing things out on the first day. I happened to copy 4 traders all at once, and some of them were even taking on risks that are not suitable for my portfolio amount. Therefore, it is not counted in my book as I was just new on the first day and I was quite blurred of whatever that is happening, and I only found a trader that suits my own playstyle on the 3rd day. But if you guys want to count it, go ahead and count it. That is when it puts me into a big ass loss of $42.06. So, is copy trading profitable? The answer from me is a big fat yes.
Yes! Come to Papa!
But if you are eager to try out copy trading, then make sure to go ahead and read the terms and conditions before using certain apps functions, or else you will just end up like me, a stupid ass clown who lost most of my capital to the copy trading fees. Also, always test things out with a small percentage of your portfolio and different traders until you find the right one before fully entrusting them with your entire portfolio. And if you're using a platform like NAGA Trader, which charged you a hefty amount of copy trading fees, make sure to have a capital of at least $1,000 or maybe up to $10,000, $100,000, but at least $1,000 so that your wins are much bigger and the copy trading fees will not affect so much of your own profit. The reason why I lost so much of my money to the copy trading fees is because I was closing my positions at a small win of maybe 9 cents, 50 cents, $1, $2, $3. That is why all of the copy trading fees added up and one shot blow my account out of the window. For now, I will not be doing copy trading anymore. Maybe sometime in the future, I'll continue this series or re-continue my copy trading portfolio, as I do see the big potential here making small and passive gains every single day. I'll definitely continue this copy trading series when I have a larger capital. But until then, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe and turn on the post notifications. Leave a comment in the comment section below on what you think about this video, what you want to see next. With that being said, I hope to see you guys in the next video.